Hi guys, it's your boss Wise, and today I'm going to show you how to use AI to make money online even if you are a complete beginner. These are tools you can use right from your laptop or phone to start creating digital products, organizing your ideas, upgrading your current skill, and making content that actually earns you money. So if you have been hearing about AI but don't know how to start, this video will break it down for you step by step. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my weekly tips on how to make money online. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel where I post resource, tools, and job updates. The link are in the description. So without more further ado, let's dive into the video. Number one way in which you can use AI to make money is using ChatGPT to create digital products. Yes, as we all know, the number one AI tool right now is ChatGPT, a powerful tool for writing and ideas generation. As a beginner, you can use ChatGPT to write a book on any topic, create journal, planners, or checklists. You can even use it to develop online course or digital guides. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write you a 20-page ebook on how to save 50,000 naira in 6 months as a beginner. And within minutes, ChatGPT will give you structured content. From there, you can just polish, design it in Canva, and sell it on platforms like Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or even on WhatsApp. The beauty is once you create it once, you can keep selling it over and over again without extra effort. Number two is use Canva Magic Studio to create products. That's number two ways you can use AI to make money online. The second tool is Canva Magic. Yes, Canva Magic Studio. In case you have not heard it, you can go and search it up. Now, Canva has added powerful AI features that make design super simple. Even if you don't know how to design, Canva AI will help you create logos, flyer, social media template, YouTube thumbnail, even full presentation. Canva AI Studio will help you to do that. Here, the money making side is people are paying for this exact service on Fiverr, Upwork, and even locally. So instead of stressing to learn complicated Photoshop, you can learn Canva AI to do the hard job. You just have to tweak, add your creativity, and the work will be delivered. That means you can start a small design business from home, no big skill requires, and still make money from it. Number three ways you can use AI to make money online is using Claude AI to organize your ideas. Yes, tool number three is Claude AI. And here's the truth, most beginners fail not because they lack ideas, but because they can't organize those ideas properly. This is where Claude AI comes in. You can dump all your messy notes, business plans, or content draft into it, and Claude will arrange everything into clear outline, suggest a logical flow, polish the grammar and tone. So if you are planning to launch an ebook, online course, or even want to create structured YouTube scripts like this one, Claude will act as your personal assistant to keep things professional and organized. Number four ways you can use AI tool to make money is using AI to power up your current skills. Yes, using AI to power up your current skills. Let me be real, AI is not here to replace you. It's here to make you faster and better. For example, if you're a writer, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm headlines or speed up editing. And if you're a video editor, AI apps like Runway or Descript can cut and caption your videos instantly. If you do social media, AI scheduling tools can help you create posts and caption for you. When you combine your personal skills with AI, you instantly become more valuable. That means you can take on more clients, deliver faster, and of course, make more money. And number five ways which you can use AI to make money is using App Simplify to repurpose your ideas. Yes, using App Simplify. Here's the secret. You don't always need new ideas to make money online. No, sometimes you just need to repurpose what you already have. App Simplify help you to take one piece of content and multiply it across platform. For example, a single YouTube video can be cut into TikTok clip, Instagram Reels, or Facebook post. A blog post can be turned into a YouTube script. In case you don't know, a podcast episode can be broken down into social media captions. This way, you can get 5 to 10 pieces of content from just one idea, which means more visibility, more traffic, and more opportunities. So now, before I continue, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I share these strategies every week and you don't want to miss it. Yes, you won't want to miss it. So go and subscribe. Also, make sure to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group. I drop extra resource, free ebooks, and opportunity there that I don't post anywhere else. You can find the link in the description. Now, let me just give you a quick bonus, something that most people won't tell you. Yes, let me just tell you, let me just let you know. Don't try to use all these tools at once. No, pick one, maybe start with ChatGPT for digital products or Canva for design service. Once you get results, add another tool into your workflow. Step by step, you will build multiple income streams instead of overwhelming yourself by just going into all of them. No, just first of all, choose one. So to recap what I've said, let me just go through it. I talk about the 5 beginner-friendly ways to make money with AI, and I make mention of using ChatGPT to create digital products. 2, I make mention of use Canva Magic Studio to design and sell. I also make mention of using Cloud AI to organize your skills. Another thing I mentioned, which is number 4, is use AI to supercharge your current skills. And the last one was use App Simplify to repurpose your content. AI is not just the future, it's already here, and the earlier you start, the faster you will build skills and income stream that lasts. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a comment below with which AI tool you are going to start with, and I will reply to as many as I can. I will see you on my next video. Thanks.